What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Y'all know what it is. Your boy JP coming to y'all with another how-to. Today we got 2006 Toyota Tacoma, and I'm going to show you real quick how to take this radio out. Now, if this is your first time tuning into the channel, please consider subscribing. This is the type of things that we do: car audio tutorials, radio removals, Q&As, all that type of stuff. Without further ado, let's get into it. So with this, I'm actually going to be installing a Sirius XM Commander. So I will put that in a separate video, so be on the lookout for that. But in order to install this with the FM adapter that comes with it, we have to get behind that radio. So first thing you want to do with this is boom. So as you can see, all three of these have a screw hole. This one actually didn't have any screws in it. I didn't already take these out. That's just how it was, but George may have them in there, so go ahead and take them out. Then you want to come right here. Dang, there's a screw that was supposed to be there and a screw that was supposed to be there. So apparently somebody have already taken this radio out before, so this is going to be easier than I thought. But you guys are going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 Phillips. Once you have those, you should be able to take a panel removal of some sort. Boom. Slide that boy down just like that. And there's supposed to be 10 mils. That's how I know somebody been in this radio. But you do have 2 on the left, 2 on the right screws that you're gonna take out. I'm using the Phillips because somebody put a Phillips in here, but you will have 10 mil bolts. So let's take these out. Now that we have those bolts taken out, ladies and gentlemen, we're just going to slide that radio out like so. And that is it. We're gonna undo this, but well, actually I'm not gonna do that because I'm saving it for the other video. Other than that, I hope you guys find some type of value in this video. No, we're not doing a full install. This is strictly just a radio removal. Just want to show you how that works. But if you guys find any type of value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. Until the next time, this is your boy JP signing out.